Hey! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring a compilation of ridiculous boat accidents that were caught on camera. If you want to see more, hit subscribe button and let's dive right in this hilarious trip together. It was the most impressive landing she could make. As someone who has been cast into another dimension, it's very peaceful until you hit the water. It is a good idea to wear a life jacket when playing this game. He has prepared everything to have a good sleep.
God.
That's when they want to try strong feelings. Not everyone has enough skills to control a boat across the sand. The dogs just didn't know what she just did. My advice to you is, don't rush to be happy when you haven't reached the finish line yet.
Yeah.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
No matter what happens, the girl's first priority is to protect the bottle of wine.
1, 2. You got it, Marina.
Nothing else can compare to the amazing performance she just gave. This is definitely not the ideal place to practice yoga.
Hey. Oh, hold on for a second.
Hopefully, the insurance company doesn't see this video. How would you handle when faced with this situation?
She's bad.
Oh my God!
Everyone has their first time. Now I know why I didn't receive a gift last Christmas. Getting on the boat is really not as easy as getting on the car. Mediterranean shipping cruises MSC Harmonia failed to slow down while docking at Roatan Village Port on the island of Roatan in Honduras, causing serious damage to the ship's hull and port infrastructure.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel!
It is possible that the rescue team still lacks professional skills. It seemed like he thought he was surfing. This can only be a dramatic action if you're in the middle of a naval battle. but otherwise it makes no sense.
Bruh.
Those girls did not consider the dangers of jumping on a moving boat. It looks like he is advertising the boat the company has just produced. A failed transformation from a jet boat to a submarine. These idiots are trying to control the boat that has lost control.
Huh?
What the hell is it? Hope they are okay. What are your thoughts on today's video? Don't forget to leave comments so we can improve. She's just enjoying life. Then which one of them will return to the boat?
I got this, I got this.
He gave us amazing performances.
This thing is like something.
Why does he act like that? Surely the fault lies with the boat driver for going too fast.
I prefer that. I don't like it.
Bruh.
It's surprising that the table was placed on top of too few oil barrels and didn't sink. Excellent video of the restoration of an offshore racing boat. Please rate this process from 1 to 10 in the comment section.
Huh?
That's so crazy! These amazing people have opened an additional service of shipping cars across the ocean, ensuring delivery to your door. Incredible! She has an amazing talent in the field of acrobatics.
Huh?
It seems like the pulling force on that fishing rod was a bit too strong.
Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, my God!
So his boat got its decks cleaned for free.
Oh, no.
The ray of hope was extinguished too quickly. I want to use this moment to remind everyone about the dangers of overloading. Hopefully, boat owners will learn their lesson.
He's over the boat! He's over!
Luckily, he went fishing with his great friends. The dog suddenly took on the role of captain, but that didn't faze him.
Yeah, boy.
The fish he caught today looked exactly like his best friend. She is looking to maximize the capabilities of her kayak. Don't worry when you can't get through. Your wife will carry you. She trusted her husband so much, and maybe she needed more than that.
Huh?
It's so silly, they haven't even started the engine yet. And this plan failed, but luckily no one was injured. Luckily, he wasn't robbed of his favorite fishing rod by the fish. The plow tractor suddenly turned into a reluctant submarine when the ferry left it too quickly. This sand barge ended its journey here because the owner was not aware of the importance of the tonnage.
Huh?
Many people wondered why he didn't remove the drain plug.
Den er ikke liten. Ikke? Nei. Den er diger! Fy! Den er moliger! Fy!
I guess he watched Tom and Jerry for over 180 minutes per day. They need to stay calm while on the boat.
Dale, my boy can do it cheaper. Up the OBS.
Not a very good trip.
Dog. Wow, bro.
The boat shook and was almost about to turn upside down. His boss will probably ask about him a lot. That was the last time we saw him do so. It's unbelievable that there are times when the ocean is so crowded. This is definitely everyone's worst nightmare when on a boat.
Right there. Flip him. Yo, high five.
These games will probably only be done on boats. The man jumped into the water, thinking he could catch that fish.
Yeah.
The boat was taken by these strange pirates.
Boat under like sea lions anymore. Oh.
Maybe the captain wants to turn his boat into a swimming pool. I advise you not to sleep on the boat when your friend driving.
He's over the boat! He's over!
Luckily, he went fishing with his great friends. Excellent video of the restoration of an offshore racing boat. Please rate this process from 1 to 10 in the comment section.
Huh?
That's so crazy. These amazing people have opened an additional service of shipping cars across the ocean, ensuring delivery to your door.
Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
So his boat got its decks cleaned for free.
Oh, no.
Shake it!
Bruh.
No matter what happens, the girl's first priority is to protect the bottle of wine.
You got it, Marina.
Nothing else can compare to the amazing performance she just gave. This is definitely not the ideal place to practice yoga. It is possible that the rescue team still lacks professional skills. The boat shook and was almost about to turn upside down.
And that's a wrap for today. Which moment surprised you the most? Drop a comment and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye and see you again.